little curve on my Beverly Shear right here.
Whoa, what's a Beverly? You have another woman in your life?
No, just you, boys, that's all. This is a Beverly Shear. Come here, I'll show you. See, this is a Beverly Shear. They come in 3 different sizes, 1s, 2s, and 3s. This number 2 is rated to 16 gauge. The number 3s is actually rated to 1/8" plate. The handle's a lot bigger when you want to pull on those. The great thing about this over like my bench shear, my plate shear, you see how this throat, how big this throat is right here? See this?
I'm coming in.
See how wide this section is here?
Mm-hmm.
So you can cut something nice and straight because you're going straight through. But look on the Beverly here. See, it doesn't have that. So the Beverly can cut curves in either direction, left or right. So I wanted to follow that little curve right in there. You look at the blade. See the blade in here?
Yep.
See how it's got a flat edge in here, just like the plate shear does. But down here, it's got more of like a scissor edge, where they cross over one another. So you wind up with a really nice little cutting action in there. But the great thing is it just allows you to do curves. So where before I would have to either force it through the plate shear, or I'd have to get out the plasma cutter, or I'd have to get out the tin snips or something. Now, as long as I'm working with a lighter gauge metal, I can come into the Beverly and just cut my little curves in there. Just a little bit of hand grinding, you're good to go.
So you can get rid of that other shear, huh?
Oh, no. This plate shear, this one is rated for 1/8". So if I want to cut off some strap, I want to cut off a piece of heavier steel or something, I can put it into where my chop saw is. I can even put an extension handle on it so I can get some good leverage to it. So, it's a very valuable tool. It's used for 2 different jobs: straight cuts and curve cuts. So eventually I'll find a good place to mount this where I've got room behind it, room to each side of it, where I can bolt it down, I can get it off the edge of the workbench. But back to work.